you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Terrisa, and today we're going to do another one-pot meal. So this is a creamy Southwestern pasta vegan. I'm so excited. So before I get started, I do want to mention, if you want to help support this channel, because I'm a rogue ass bitch, you can donate via PayPal, which is linked below, or my Patreon, which is also linked below. Got a million different tiers. You got a lot of cool stuff. Super exclusive. Oh my god. Let's jump in, beats. I have a whole onion, a gigantic bitch, and a whole green pepper that I chopped up roughly, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. Got my heat set on medium, and we're just gonna saute these down a little bit before we go any further. Next, we're going to add taco seasoning. So, these salt and mashed potato queso tacos. You already see my recipe for taco seasoning, which I love so much because it doesn't have MSG, it doesn't mess with my migraines, and you can mess with the sodium, and it's not super horrible. So here's my recipe for a quick taco seasoning, or you can buy the packet. Look, if you're lazy and cheap, just buy the packet, that's fine. Or you can do 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons cumin, half a teaspoon each of paprika, red chili flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Then we're going to add Rotel with the green chilies, or a generic version. So we're gonna put that whole can in there. We definitely like drained it where you put the the lid on top and you smush it down like oh, I can't remember what Greg called that version. But anyways, then we're going to add
the tuna drain.
The tuna drain, which we don't eat tuna, but y'all know what I'm talking about, because you know you all ate tuna before you were vegan. A whole thing of frozen corn, 4 cups of vegetable broth, which you can make your own, which I've said how to do it before, but like I didn't have any of my homemade, so I just used a box from Walmart for $1. Hi, how are ya? And then a whole package of your favorite nudes. I prefer penne. They are my favorite, and we gonna mix it up. And then we're gonna take our vegetable broth and add about another 1/2 cup of water in it and shake it up, get all the goodness out, give it a little bit more water, and we're going to turn our heat up to high. We're going to cover this, and then once it boils, we're going to turn it down and let it go until our nudes are fully cooked. Now we're going to put in our vegan cream cheese, which, if you know me, I prefer Wayfair, but here's the thing. Greg works like 2 hours away from home, which is fucking annoying, but that's the only way we survive. And normally he can stop somewhere and get us the Wayfair, which I love, but we didn't do that this time, and I forgot. So I'm using Go Veggie. Actually, their vegan cream cheese, that should hit different, but like, it'll do the trick, which is the whole point of my fucking story, is like, do whatever you got, right? And then a whole can of black beans, drained and rinsed, and we're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna cover it up again, and all we're doing is melting the vegan cream cheese and heating up the black beans. You guys, what is that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. It smells like delicious. So I'm, whoa, okay, hold on, okay, great. I don't know why I'm talking like that, whatever. Here we go. Wait, what? Oh my god.
Is this something special?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, hot. Oh my god. Oh, it's steamy. Oh my god.
But is this something special?
Greg, you know what? Come here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, egghead.
Okay. I've been waiting like 3 hours to eat this.
It doesn't take 3 hours.
It doesn't take 3 hours.
It takes me 3 hours to record a video. No, it takes way longer than that, but
it's something special.
It tastes like a fucking taco. 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 It tastes like a fu
It's something special.
Wow. Okay. Make this. First, before you make this, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment on how fucking beautiful I am.
She's beautiful too.
You're so cute. Okay. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And I love you guys so much, and catch you next time.
Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.